Here are the purple hyacinth at dusk. It's hard for the camera to pick them up because the light's so low, but super pretty. I'll try and capture them another time. This is such a pretty little area that I have. It's a little pond and the little houses along the edge. They turn on their lights and they reflect in the pond. And the last light of day. This is the blue hour. I don't go out in the blue hour much, but I love it. And show you some of this beauty. Reflections. It's really something. This is the first chance I had to get out, so last tail end of sunset and blue hour. So I thought I would capture a little bit of it for you. I am Nancy the Nature Girl, and I go a little crazy when I can't get out in it. Today was one of those days. But it's a perfect day, feast of the Ascension of our Lord. And it's just joy and His glory all around me. Isn't it something? Mm-hmm. All right. Well. Step out in it. See what you see today. Bye now.